Okay, you guys, let's make an afternoon snack. We're going to be making a blueberry gold parfait, and what you're going to need is some yogurt. I love this particular yogurt. Your dish that you're going to put it into, pecans, and some crushed up M&Ms or whatever candy you want to use, and blueberries. You're going to need a rubber spoon because that helps with getting it out and it doesn't break down the yogurt and make it watery. I've done a video on that. We're going to drizzle a little honey over it. And we're going to sprinkle some dazzle dust, which makes it gold. Your spoon, and then you can enjoy.